Hi guys, welcome to the Mythic Boost channel and welcome to another epic review of some epic stuff for you guys. This one is going to be all about, yes, you've guessed it, the Blue Yeti. In this case is a Red Yeti, but a Blue Yeti microphone. It's an epic microphone for streaming. I'm going to tell you all about it. We're going to unbox it, we're going to test it and go through everything you need to know. So if you're hyped for this video, make sure you've subscribed if you haven't already. Click those likes and don't forget to put those comments down below to what you think. Roll that title sequence. Right then guys, as I said, welcome back to the Mythic Boost channel. Today we have got something so... I'm really excited for this, guys. I've been using a pretty reasonable desktop condenser mic for a while now, but I have been super psyched to get this into my grubby little mitts to test out for you guys. So what we're going to do is we are going to not waste any further time. We are going to unbox this so you guys can see just how cool it is. I've not opened it yet. I haven't seen it. I haven't touched it. It's going to be a real live reaction for you guys so you can see exactly what's going on. Right, first things first. We need probably a knife. So we've got that ready to go. We're going to get into what we got from the box to start off with. Just to show you that so you can see. We've got the box here. It's a red one. It's got various other stuff. It's got Yeti. It's got noun. Legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. C, abominable snowman, an incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. It's quite funny, and you've got loads of cool little sort of emoji style stuff on it. You've got a bit of description as to all the stuff, and then there's a really good one explaining all the settings on the back. But we are going to go through all of this for you guys so you can see exactly what's going on. He says. Right, okay. I always like looking at a bit of packaging as well. So here's the first bit. Let's do this box back up and we'll leave that there just as a bit of a so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, right, our first job by the looks of it for the knife, we've got some tape down the side of here, so we're going to go in super slowly. We don't want to mark anything because that would suck. Nice. Okay, cool. We might it's exciting, guys. Don't forget, if you're psyched, smash that like button, guys. We've got tons of other reviews. Click up here. I've got stuff for like the Razer Basilisk mouse and so on and so forth and all that sort of cool stuff. So, in the box, first things first, we have got a micro USB lead. That's thing number one. Let's lay some of this stuff out here, guys. We have got... Oh, is this just sit on the top? Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. We have got packaging. We have got some destructions, as always. Destructions. And then what else have we got going on? We have... Oh, jeez. Right, this is it in the box, guys. Here it is. In the box. Nice. Okay. Let's prize this out. It's heavy, guys, actually. It's really quite heavy. Wow. And there's not a lot in the box. I quite like that. We've got some silica gel. Always love a bit of silica gel. We're going to get rid of this box here. I don't think this bit's overly important, so we'll get rid of that. Get that down there. Right then, guys. Here it is. It's really, really quite cool. It folds all the way down. Apparently, it folds down like this for sort of EV storage and transportation. It's really quite heavy. It's a real sturdy feeling thing. Obviously, you can turn it up like this. Oh, well, okay, we do actually get a bit of tension as we stand it up, so we can, I'm assuming, release that off from the side a little bit. Oh, yeah, okay, nice. So that sort of puts that in there. I'm not sure which way you sort of want to hand it. It's pretty cool. So if you can see from here, guys, it sits quite at a nice angle on the desk. So, you know, when it's in front of me here, if I was gaming and I've got this in front of me here, like this, there's no way that's going to be getting in the way. That's like, it's fine. It's going to sit perfectly in the right place. So I'm definitely liking that. The reason I've gone for the red one is my logo's red. So that's cool. Let's leave that there so you guys can see that. My logo's red, black, which is cool. And when I eventually sort of start my new stream room, that's something that I'm really going to focus on is do a really solid theme. We're going to get the, all the monitors mounted up slightly differently. Upgrade these two bad boys at some point as well. So we've got an exciting room build, which I'm definitely going to video from scratch when we start that. Okay, guys, we're going to take a short little cut. We're going to come back. We're going to get all this plugged in, and we're going to start the next part of the review. So do not, if you're thinking of clicking off, don't go anywhere, because we're going to go into everything. We're going to go how all the modes work. I'm going to explain how it works, so don't go anywhere. Remember to share the video and like and subscribe. We keep saying this. Do it. Take the 2 seconds to click that little like button. We're going to cut there. Okay, right, now we've got our Blue Yeti mic all set up. I need to tell you guys how it works. So I'm going to put some indications down on the bottom of the screen so you can see the different settings. If we look at the back of the mic, there's a few things going on. We've got a gain control, and we've got 4 different settings. Now, I'm going to refer back to the box because we can remember these things, or frankly, I'm just going to read them off the back. So the 4 settings we've got are, first setting over here is stereo, then on to cardioid, then on to omnidirectional, and then on to bidirectional. And they all serve different functions. So on the current setting here, on this one, on the right hand side, is stereo mode. And according to the box, basically stereo is for things like vocals. So recording vocals when you want to pick up all the room around it, and because of the way the microphones are suited, you can hear the sound moving round the mic, and it's getting that full feeling. So that's one setting that you need, but obviously not ideal if you're doing recording work and you just want your voice being picked up, because that way you're going to pick up all the sounds around you as well. So that's not what you want. If you are a streamer like myself, what you need to do is probably use the cardioid roll. Okay, so that is going to give you just picking up sounds from one direction. So if you're talking into the front of the mic here, on the back you're going to pick up less noise because it's just pointing the microphone out this way. So that's really, really helpful for that. And then you've got omnidirectional. So this is basically from sort of 4 very individual points. So it's like front, back, and both sides. So if you've got it in the middle of a table, for example, each person's voice within that table will be picked up from that direction. So that's quite a nice way of getting crisp directional sound. And then you've got bidirectional. So for example, if you was doing something like an interview or something like that, and you was having one person sit across the table from you, then literally either side, and that's going to pick up the sound really, really, really nicely. So they're the 4 settings, and they all serve a really fantastic purpose when the mic is being used. Let's put this back around this way. Where's the front? There it is. So yeah, I've had to use this microphone already since I've got it set up. I've used it for playing Fortnite. I've used it within Discord as well, and the general feedback that I'm getting, it is a really crisp sounding microphone with fantastic clarity, and that really makes a big difference. The other thing we've also got on the back, we've got a gain control as well. So if you want to pick up slightly less sound from around you, you can adjust the gain. And then on the other side of the mic, we've got a few other things. We've got a mute button as well, which is really handy if you don't want to go pushing around all your shortcuts. You can literally just click the mute button, and then you've got it. On the bottom as well, you've literally just got a USB port here. Let me just turn it around so you guys can see. So you've got a USB port. In fact, I'll even unplug it so you guys can see here. So you've got USB where you're plugging into. You've got a standard jack, so that will fit on basically most microphone stands. I'm probably going to go for the Rode PSA 1 mic myself. It's just a fantastic stand. It gets fantastic reviews. It's not cheap, but however, I think that's probably, now I've got the decent mic, going to hold out for that. You've also got a direct plug-in for your headphones as well, and a volume here for your headphones. So it almost works as a USB speaker at the same time when you're basically your headphones are plugged into it. So you're also going to be able to get a bit of feedback for yourself as well. Okay, the last and probably one of the best things about this mic is basically just USB plug and play. You literally just take it out of the box, you plug it into the back of your computer, and it works, which is brilliant when you're on the road. You know, you could literally just plug it into a laptop or just take it with you. There's no messing around with this mic. It's really, really good. And the other thing, it's really heavy. So if you was going to get a standard boom arm, I would really look into it. You know, the mic itself, you know, is about ½ kilo. The base is that little bit thing. It's a heavy bit of kit, you know, but heavy, you know, heavy means expensive. Heavy means it's got good magnets. It's a good mic. And on the whole, I am super, super, super impressed so far. I'm basically going to trial it. I'm going to feedback into the comments. If you guys have got any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will report as I use this mic in the comments and answer anything you've got. And that's basically it. Hopefully this has been really helpful for you guys. Yeah, that's all I try and do. Help you guys, give you good, honest reviews, and pass on some good information. Anyway, as I said before, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you have subscribed, smash that like button, and put any questions you have in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you next time on the Mythic Booster channel for more Mythic Booster content. Ladies and gentlemen, bye-bye.